Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a bridal inspired makeup tutorial, and this is my beautiful model. Her name is Uwa, and off camera I already went ahead to clean her skin, like do all of that skin prep, and right now I'm just using some pore minimizer to sort of like smoothing out her texture and some open pores she has going on there. And I'm going straight into foundation. I'm using this skin like sheer foundation from Nuban Beauty. Nuban Beauty is a Nigerian brand. They have like a wide array of makeup products, and their products are top notch, absolutely amazing. I love this foundation so much. I like that it's sheer, but it also has a bit of coverage, which I love. And now I'm just going to proceed to do the rest part of her skin work, like contouring and highlighting, and set all of that and move on to brows and eyeshadow. So this is the order that the makeup is going to go today. I absolutely love this bridal look. Like, it was so soft. Her skin was basically just taking in everything I was giving it, and I was just loving everything. So I went ahead to lay her hair. We were going for like this center part, beautiful, sleek, kind of like laid down baby hairs, everything, because she's a bride and we want her hair to be looking pink, and that's what we have going on there. So I just tied it down with a scarf, and after a while I would take it off. And yeah, you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment down below if you've got questions for me, and I'll definitely be right there to answer your questions. Subscribe down below if you're not subscribed. We have more videos like this coming your way, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.